Yeah, so every contactor, so this is our contactor. This is how we draw our contactor. So you'll excuse me for my uh not so par drawing, but this is how we do our contactor, how we draw it, and this is our contactor. Just want to talk a bit more about the contact and what you will find on any normal contactor. So this is our contactor, as you can see. This is our contactor. So what happens is that, as you can see, this is our contact as we spoke. So it's going to be linked. These contacts are linked. So this dotted wires show us that they are linked to a coil. So they are linked to a coil. So this coil, what happens is that once you energize it, meaning you apply voltage to it. So if you apply voltage to this coil, if you apply voltage, our contact will close in this case. So if we apply voltage, our contact will close. So any contactor has two different types of contact. There's normally open contacts and normally closed contacts. So let us just make it like this. So there's going to be another set of contacts. We're going to have our normally closed, as you can see, and we're going to have our auxiliary contact, which is also a normally open contact. So as you can see, this is what happens, and they are also linked. So this is going to be our normally closed, and this is going to be our normally open, right? So what happens is that once you energize this coil, once you energize this coil, this contact will close and this one will open, this one will close. So basically that's what happens. So this is the full explanation of how a contactor works. It's very simple. So just to dwell a bit deeper on our terminal, so you're going to have L1, L2, L3, and then this usually, if you connect it to a motor, is going to be like T1, T2, and T3. This is our terminals. As you can see, this is our normally closed, and this is our normally open. So just to recap, what happens is that once the coil is energized, our contacts will close, our normally close will open, our normally open will close, and once you de-energize our coil, everything goes to normal. This guys will open, and this guy will close, and this guy will open.